According to the latest FBI statistics, criminals try to steal an automobile every 61 seconds. Only about 1 in 7 thefts leads to an arrest. And even with that, the vehicle is often not recovered. If you believe the neighborhoods where you live, work, shop, and dine are safe, know that criminals target those same neighborhoods because that's where the most valuable vehicles are. The best way to protect yourself against theft is to deter it. Car alarms are not enough. There's a better solution. Give your vehicle another layer of protection. With our Express Code marking system, unique coded labels are permanently applied to the metal body parts of your vehicle in 6 different places. Specially designed warning labels that are very difficult to remove can be applied to the window glass. Even if someone removes the coded labels from the vehicle, the code number remains on the body parts, invisible except under ultraviolet light. The code number of your vehicle is registered in Portfolio Protection's national database. Thieves skip over these vehicles because the code number cannot be removed without damage, and chop shops don't want them. And if they are still foolish enough to steal a coded car or truck, law enforcement can easily identify the true owner through the code number database. Finally, if your coded vehicle is not recovered within 30 days, the Express Code warranty pays you $1,000 over what your auto insurance pays to help you get into a new vehicle. Express Code really does help to prevent theft and give you peace of mind. Protect your ownership experience. Ask your dealer representative to add the Express Code marking system to your vehicle now.